Everyone, it's me, Ginger. So I just came home from an event. The event was called Union Bank's Eureka E-Cadet. So we were invited as I was invited together with my colleagues as Taxumo, and thus the shirt. So check out my shirt. But the thing is, we changed the logo already, so I don't know why I did that. Why I just showed you my old logoed shirt. Anyway, for today, I'm not actually gonna tell you about the event, but more of a question that I've had since I take care of processing all of those who sign up at Taxumo. So for those of you who don't know, we recently just launched our web application. So you can visit taxumo.com and sign up. Sign up now. Um, and I've been getting questions, not a lot of questions, but I assume that some of you might have the same question. So I'll be walking you through the system so that you'll know how to navigate through it. Although it's really simple, so you don't actually need this video. But nonetheless, let me take you through it. Okay, so all you need to do is go to taxumo.com. So it's taxumo.com. Scroll down, and then you'll see the sign up sheet below. So all you need to do is sign up for your Taxumo account. So we can put the test first name, your first name, your last name, your company name, your phone number, your email address. So let's say test@gmail.com, and then your password. So be sure that your password contains one digit and a symbol. So let me put that, and then you can click to create your account. So once you have clicked on that, all you need to do is go to your email account after. So you'll see, thank you for registering. An email has been sent to your email account. My email address, my email account, and then I will see the email confirmation. So once you have the email confirmation, all you need to do is click on the link and it will take you to Taxumo again. So now that you have given us the basic information, all you have to do is to complete your registration. So for test company, all I need to do is put the company name. So it says here we also have tool tips on the side. So for individuals and professionals, you can use your full name, get the necessary information from your COR as you can see here. So we have provided a sample COR or Certificate of Registration. This is the 2303 form that was given to you by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. And you will have all the information that we need from you in this particular form. So let's go back. You just click on it again to close it. And then for the taxpayer name, usually for individuals, based also again on your COR, key in your last name, your first name, and then your middle name. So let's say it's Arboleda Ginger. Then your position, you can put your position here. So let's say the COO. You can put the company zip code, your registered address, your type of business. Let's click on this first to close it. Click on the type of business. So you can actually see the line of business or the nature of your business in the COR in this particular area. So here it says 9303 other service activities NEC. So, for example, you're an insurance agent. So, you can actually just type insurance, but to be sure, base it on your COR. But to make it simpler for you, you can type the code or the name, and it automatically shows you the different options that you have that you will get. And then for the RDO, same thing. If your RDO is, let's say, in Quezon City, it shows you suggestions on the RDO that you might have. But just again just to be sure again, check your COR. So let's say 039. Income source will be either business compensation or mixed income. So click on mixed income if you have been employed within the year or you have been an employee of a company within the year. Compensation if it's purely compensation, business if it's purely business. So fiscal year, if you're not sure, just click on January. And then for business type, it's either services or goods. So normally well, yeah, you will know if you don't have anything tangible, click on sales or goods business. If it's a service that you're offering, click on service. Service may be a laundry shop or an events provider. So a question here says, are you using OSD or optional standard deduction this year? So what is OSD? Optional standard deduction allows you to declare 40% of your income as expenses. So you can check your previously filed quarterly income tax form 1701Q to see whether you use OSD. So if this is your first time, you can choose no for now. So get the necessary information from your COR also. So if you're not sure, just click on no. So we have the tooltip there if you still want to review it later on. For the tax type, you have either percentage tax or VAT. For the birthday, you can either look through the calendar or just type it directly. So it's month, day, year. So that's how you do it. And then for the 10, just click on the 10 that you're gonna use. So let's say this, sorry, random numbers. And then, sorry, this should be 0. And then choose your COR. We need a copy of your COR. So, but if you don't have a copy right now while you're doing this, just click on save later on, and it will still go through. And you can also add your signature. So you can put your signature here, and then confirm, and then save. So you've already updated your, oh sorry, I forgot this section, so let's just complete it so that we can save it. There, services, let's say services, and then save. So just to be really sure that you're typing the correct information, have your COR ready, or check your COR later on after you save the initial details. Now, how to go through the other parts of Taxumo is really to just click on the different tabs above. So it's either you add an income. So let's click on the income tab. So you can press on the green button here and then put all of the necessary information and then save it. So let's see. Let's just put default numbers and a default date and default type of service, default amount, just any amount. Sorry, not default, but any amount. Business name, let's say blah blah. And then notes, and then if you have the receipt that you issued them, a copy of the receipt that you issued them, you can scan it. And then we have the tab, so you can actually identify if it's a business expense or a personal expense. So let's tag it as business, because if you tag it as business, it will directly impact your tax, the tax that you need to pay. So let's see what happens. So when you click on that, we have 10,000. You'll see that your monthly percentage tax due for November is already adjusted to 300 pesos. So, and your annual income tax due is at 500 pesos. So, at any given time, you will see the change in the tax that you need to pay. So, this is also true with expenses. So, all you need to do is just add your expense. So, very easy. And click on submit. And then we have other features here when you click your name. So, for example, we have switch companies. If you are actually the owner of other companies, so you can have one access for different companies. You have the categories here. You can delete some. Unfortunately, the add feature is not available yet, but we will have that soon. You can edit your profile, the profile that I showed you a while ago. You can also look at your, what is this? Business registry. So the name of the companies that you issued receipts for. You can also send invites. So if you have, for example, an accountant that you want to give access to, or a team member, or an employee, or a partner, all you need to do is just add their email address here to give them access, so that they can also encode income and expenses. And then you also have the manage account here if you want to change your password. So that's basically it for income, expense, and the profile. So the main page is actually your dashboard. So this dashboard, let me read through it. So this screen shows the tax filings you have paid and have yet to pay. So please proceed to income or expense to enter your income and expense transactions. So Taxumo will compute and fill out your forms automatically using your income and expense data. So here, as you can see, I didn't get to pay my November filings. That's why it's red. And it prompts me that, it shows me that I need to pay, the December taxes. So all I need to do is check again, click on that, check on my information, click on yes, this is correct. Oh, sorry, telephone number 523-55678. So there, yes, this is correct. And then it will show me the payable and the processing fee and the total. And it will automatically fill out the form for me. And then when I click on Pay Now, right now we only have PayPal as the payment option, but don't worry, we will be adding other payment options soon. So I won't pay it. I won't finish it, but basically all it does is it pays your taxes for you, and then you can get back. You can go back to the site, and it will show that the yellow portion is already green. So that's it, guys, for today. I hope you understood my explanation well. And if you have any more questions, feel free to message me or message our Facebook page, which is Taxumo, or message our Instagram account. We have a Taxumo Instagram account. Wait, I think we do have one. Let me check. But I know that we have a Twitter account. It's also Taxumo. Wait. Sorry, cause Evan is our social media expert. I'm just the operations girl. Yes, we do have an Instagram account. So just message us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. All of these are Taxumo. So I hope you like our application. This is the first iteration, or the first version, actually, the first version since we did the MVP. So if you have comments, feel free to email us. We will take it to heart to read it and really absorb it and do anything and everything that we can about your comment or about your suggestion. So that's it, guys. Good night.